Oh my goodness. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Yoyis, and on my channel I talk everything lash extensions related. So for today's video I am super excited because I'm pretty sure a bunch of you guys know who I'm going to be talking about or who the owner of this company is. So she is another YouTuber and her name is Ariel and her company is Flourish Lashes. So she reached out to me and we've been talking ever since. And she's just, oh, that's so funny. She just texted me. I am gonna do an unboxing for you guys and I'm super excited. Okay, first of all, can we just say that her videos are probably the most educational videos I've seen here on YouTube. I love her videos. She is like super detailed, like she is super professional. I feel like I'm a little quirky and she's just like you know. But I love her. She's so cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Can we just talk about the size of this box? Like, oh my goodness, I wonder what's in here. Dream big and dare to fail. I think for me, what I love the most about unboxing is just that part. Oh my goodness. So I decided to wear pink to go along with this unboxing just because I know Flourish Lashes color scheme is pink. And look, oh, okay, I'm so excited. I don't know what to do with all this. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me just show you guys all that goodness. What the heck? I feel like Christmas, even though Christmas is right around the corner, I feel like I was a little under the weather and this is just making me feel so good. Like, look at all this product. Oh my god, I'm tearing up. What is all of this, girl? Oh my god. Okay, I need to get my shit together. Okay, so the first thing in here, okay, first of all, the packaging. I love the packaging. I love the white, I love the pink, I love the little accent of black. To me, it's all about the packaging. And this is just, oh my goodness, no she didn't. Oh my goodness. So this is her Ultra Lash Fan. Oh, this is so cute. What the heck is this? Okay, first of all, Ariel, this is like on another level. Like your aesthetic, your packaging, and I've never seen a fan like this. Like, first of all, no. I'm sold. Like, you guys need to stop this video right now and go buy this fan because this is just, wow, this feels nice. Okay, can we just take a look at that? Like, what is this? Like, I've never seen a fan like this. Like, this just stole my heart. This is beautiful. Okay, I probably need to charge it. It does have the charger on the side. So the Ultra Lash Fan 2.0, it is a bladeless dual power bank, 3-speed long-lasting battery. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty much a bladeless fan. But dude, this thing looks so dope. Wow. And I got the pink one. How cute. That is just, I mean, it's just matching me today. So cute. Oh, I love this. The next thing I see in here is the Flourish Rapid Bond Glue. Dry time is 1 to 2 seconds. Retention 6 to 8 weeks. So I'm pretty sure this is like their advanced glue. So I'm gonna give this a try. Okay, first of all, the packaging is super cute. You guys can see that. I love it. Okay, first of all, I could tell that they're all about the packaging. I love this. Okay, what the I can't get over it. I can't get over it. Okay, the next thing in here is the Spotless Pro Tweezer Cleanser. Again, packaging is super cute. And then on the back, it does tell you how to use it, the ingredients and everything. So if you guys don't know what this is, this pretty much is if you get any glue on your tweezers and the lashes are getting stuck to your tweezers, you can't fan, your tweezers are getting stuck. This will pretty much, if you just dip it in there, move it around a little bit, it'll gently remove the glue. That way you could use the tweezers again. So this is perfect for someone, especially beginners, because I know as a beginner, I used to get my glue stuck on my tweezers and I would have such a hard time fanning. So this is definitely a great product for that. Thank you so much. Wow. And the packaging, so simple, so cute. I love that. So the next thing in here is the Flourish cream remover. Oh, the packaging is cute. Wow. I love this. It looks like a little diamond. I prefer cream removers actually over gel. I've used gels before. I just feel like any little tiny movement, it will get in your client's eye and it will cause irritation. So I actually prefer cream removers just because they are more gentle. So yes. Okay, next thing I see in here are these Flourish under eye gel pads, and she did give me a couple of them, which it is perfect because I'm always on the hunt for good eye pads. I feel like my favorite right now are the ones that I always talk about from Akisos on Amazon, but you know, I'm always on the hunt for good iPads, so thank you. Okay, next thing in here are, I believe, tweezers, but just look at the packaging. Super cute. I love the black. So, oh, she knows me. Oh my goodness. Okay, so she gave me a curved tweezer, and you guys know how much I love curved tweezers. I'm always on the hunt searching for the next best curved tweezer, and wow, look at this, guys. Wow, this feels like it's gonna be a good tweezer. Oh my goodness. And then her little logo on the side is super cute. Simple and cute. I love this. Oh, it's curved. It's curved. And the next one is perfect. It's like a curved isolation tweezer, and you guys know how much I love these curved isolation tweezers, especially for the inner corners. These are a lifesaver when it comes to the inner corners. I prefer using curved tweezers like this one or 45-degree angle tweezers for the rest of the lash line, but something like this works beautifully for the inner corners. So thank you. Wow. Oh my goodness. So the fact that it's tweezers that I know I will love using. Yes. Look at all of this. What the heck? Like, how? What am I gonna do with all this product? Wow. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. Oh, so she sent me single length trays. She sent me an M curl. Oh, you guys know how much I've been loving these M curls. Wow, this is an M curl. One thing I hate about getting like L or M curls is that I feel like they're not true to curls. So this looks beautiful. Look at this M curl. I don't know if you guys can see that. Wow. Okay, first of all, the packaging. Pink. Yes, I'm sold. Look at that. Wow. So this is a 0.05 M curl in 13mm, and then she does have a quote on the inside. Inspired by lash artists, created by the professionals. Lashes to aim to give your creativity the spotlight. Thank you for letting Flourish be a part of your journey. That is so cute. Wow. I love this. And then she also gave me M curl in 12 and 14. So this will be perfect because I have been loving M and L curls on the outer corners, kind of like a cat eye look. So these, Oh! She also gave me M curl in 10 and 11. Look at all those. Okay, I need to calm down. Oh, okay, so she gave me 2 of their 0.03 decurl in the mix trays. That's perfect because that way I could get a feel for them. Let me open these up for you guys. The packaging, oh my goodness. Okay, so look at that packaging. So you pretty much pull it up, pull it from the bottom, and it comes out. But look at those lashes. Wow. So they go from 8mm to 15mm, which I love that. Those are normally the lengths I use anyway. So I love the packaging. It's so cute. Yes. Wow. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Look at these babies. Oh my goodness. So I got 0.05 D curl in 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14mm single length trays. That is a lot of product. Wow. Oh my goodness. And again, the packaging, high quality. I love that. Wow. These are definitely true to curl. Look at that D curl. I find myself struggling finding the right curl. I feel like a lot of brands have a more relaxed D curl, but just look at that. Look at that curl. Wow, I love this. And again, the packaging, so beautiful. I believe this is a clear micropore tape, and I have seen all of her videos, and oh my goodness, this girl can't teach. So she does use the clear micropore tape down the bottom lashes, or just, you know, anything in general. So I do use clear micropore tape to tape up my clients' lids up, and this tape is also another great alternative to the blue NextCare sensitive tape. Again, the blue NextCare tape is my favorite, but this is something that I reach for too a lot, so I already know I'm going to get good use out of this tape, so thank you. Okay, the next thing in here is this white box. Oh, I know what this is. Oh my goodness, how cute. I've seen this all over. Okay, so she does have her own tumbler. It's like one of those mini tumblers, and it has the black matte Flourish logo on it with the cute little lashes. That is super cute. Yeah, it didn't come with the straw, but it's totally fine because I have so many straws here around the house. But yeah, look how cute that is. Okay, I love anything matte black. Like, if you guys don't already know, I prefer black everything. Like, my car's black, my outfits are black, my purses are always black, my shoes are always black. Like, I just prefer black. Even though my decor is mainly white and pink, I prefer black aesthetic. It just looks so cute. So I love this. How cute is this? Oh no, wait, it did come with the straw. I almost threw this away. Here's the straw so I don't lose you. Okay, so the last thing in here, oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. We've been talking about this too for a while. Oh, shut up. Shut up. Okay, so she ended up giving me her Flourish Lashes signature collection. So I already know what this is. She kind of told me a little bit about it, and oh, I'm so excited. How cute. First of all, this is totally something different. Like, I've seen a bunch of shirts out there that say the lash artist on it, but just look at that. It says, it's like, it looks kind of like LA, but it says lash artist. This is super cute. I love this. Okay, it's black. You already know I'm gonna wear it every single day. Just look how cute that is. I love that it's like big. This is like screaming to everybody, I'm a lash artist. So the t-shirt is from Gildan, so you already know that it's already that kind of material. It's super cute. Man, I wish I would have included this in my lash artist holiday gift guide. So if you're watching this before Christmas, just know, Flourish Lashes lash artist shirt, go get it. Super cute. I love this. Okay, what am I gonna do with all these lashes? Obviously, I'm gonna do a product review video for you guys. Of course, I have to. It's a must for me. You already know that when I get new products, I have to try them out for you guys and give you guys a review. But just looking at the lashes and everything else, the tweezers, everything looks like it's gonna be high quality. So I am gonna go right now, try to book in a model and try to get a video up for you guys as soon as possible. So if you guys did like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, I will have Flourish Lashes, her YouTube, her Instagram, her website, everything linked down below for you guys, so you guys have easy access. If you guys are followers and if you guys do follow Flourish Lashes, then let me know down below, aren't her videos the best? Like, I could sit there and watch her videos all day. They're just so good. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.